everyone, welcome back to this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how you can do a split text animation with a Canva application. Open your Canva and then just tap into this plus button, and here I would like to use this Instagram post square for the canvas ratio, and wait until the canvas is perfectly loaded by the application. And wait, okay, now whenever it's already loaded, I would like to change the canvas color first, so go swipe it down and change the color by tapping at this color and pick the color that you want to use here. I would like to use a navy blue kind of thing, so I would like to do it this blue. Okay, and the next thing we need to do is just go back into the first option and tap the text. Now you just need to tap the text. You can choose either you want to do the headings of heading or body, but here I would like to use heading. And now let's just to add the text here, and let's say I would like to type hello and then tap done. You can also adjusting the font as you want here. I would like to pick my font first. I would like to choose the big font, big and thick, just like this, or you can also do it this. Okay, perfect. And then you just need to like make it this big. Go back, and now you can also adjusting the color if you want for the font. You can go pick the color that has the same taste or theme with the background, but I think white is the best choice. And the next thing you need to do is just go download this picture first by tapping on this, and then wait until it's perfectly downloaded into your phone. Now it's already downloaded. The next thing you need to do is just go delete this, and the next we need to add the picture that we just save by go tap into this upload and click upload files and click for the library. And the next we just need to go click the picture that we just saved here and then just edit, and then just need to tap it to import it into the canvas, and then just need to like resize it into the specific size that you want. Perfect. And then just need to duplicate it and then make sure that the position is just the same between the both tags here, and then you just need to swipe this into the downside, and then duplicate this and then make it like full and do the opposite way. Make sure that they assemble together. And whenever this two picture is going assembled together, give it a minute. Okay, it's assembled together. And the next we need to duplicate this by go tap into this duplicate and go visit the second page here. And then you just need to separate these two. Perfect. And now you just need to go bring it down again and then tap into this three straight line on the left top side, and then you just need to go click these three small dots, click settings and show timeline duration. Go tap X and tap into this plus button right here. Go with transitions, and then you just need to swipe into the left side, and then you got this match and move, and you are done. So you already got this tab of transitions. And now you'll see the text is going split. So that's for today's tutorial, guys. Hopefully you enjoy this, and let's meet again into other tutorial.